Hello, my dear student. I am Rajamani Ali. I hope all you are fine. So today on 15th of July, I am going to start your social science, class 8 social science, the part of that social and political life first chapter, the Indian Constitution. Okay, I repeat it. Now I am going to discuss uh, class 8 subject social science the part of this subject that social and political life first chapter the Indian Constitution. Okay, so in this lesson we will learn about Indian Constitution, why we need Constitution, how Indian Constitution make, what how Indian Constitution make similarly, and how Indian Constitution giving us equal power to all religion, equal power to all community. That one we discuss in this lesson. Okay. So why do we need a constitution? Have you ever wondered why we need rules? So you think about that. Why we need rules? So we need rules to control ourselves and to control our community, to control our religion, to control our family, to control all over the world. If rule not have, then every people can do anything. Then if every people can do anything, then there also be having big problem. So we need rules to control ourselves, control the world. So take the examples of your school. There you come across a diverse group of students, teachers, administrators, service providers, and many more such groups. So in a school, you also be have come out diverse group of students. They are having a diverse group of students. Teachers have, staff have, and another person also be having in school. So each group is different from the other group in many ways. So every group also we have different. That teacher group also be different, student group also be different, our administrators group also be different, service providers group also be different, their work also be different. Okay, they belong to different religious backgrounds and speak different language. Every people also become to school that they are different religion, different religious, and they also be speak different language. They also be eat different food, etc., etc. Okay, so everything is different. So everyone has different thoughts and opinions. As group will feel differently about different matters and will have different concern and points of view. So when some problem come into school, into your class, then they also be our teachers, our administrators group, our service providers group, and our students group also be their rule also be the same, and they can also be the discussing to for one rule, what rule uses by school authority. Okay, so they would all want the best for the school and understand that they need to cooperate the achieve that common objective. In other words, they cannot afford to ignore others and simply follow their own ideas. To achieve their cooperation, the members and need to agree on some fundamental principles. These fundamental principles ensure that the rule of individual members is not undermined. These principles eventually take the shape of rules that regulate the functioning of individual members of the group. So if in school some student facing some problem, then teachers also become administrators group, our school administrators group, school service providers group also become, and they can also be discussed for one rules that how in what rule they can be not used by student, how what punishment given to the student. They also be not divided by their religion, not divided by their community, not divided by their um, by the not divided by that how can they speak languages. Okay, so if any student doing the guilty, then our teachers group, administrators group, and service providers group also be giving the same punishment to all of the students. Okay, so and these rules define the parameters and scope of the larger body such as the school. In this case, these basic rules generate a degree of trust among its members that allow them to discuss their problems together and resolve them effectively and amicably. So if school authority making the rules for all of the teachers, all of the students, and all of the uh, school related persons, so they can be uses the rules they can be uses the rules what rules making by the school authority. If someone also be not uses the rules, then school authority also be giving the same punishment to everyone. Okay, they can also be not divided by their religion, they can also be not divided by their speaking language. Okay, so Constitution of India we will discuss in later. So now bye. Okay, thank you.